10-year-old Venkatesh Swaminathan studied in a community public school in Maryland, USA, where his parents worked on green card visa. Venkatesh would put too many questions to the teacher. Any new concept being taught in class would have what, why, where, how and when from him to the teacher. This feature of being inquisitive got Venkatesh a name by his classmates. They called him the doubting Toma, an expression used for an inquisitive mind. Not far from the school was a pizza outlet where Venkatesh Swaminathan and friends would often go for a grub. One day, the 9 inches pizza was not available and the outlet offered 2 pizzas with 5 inches diameter each. The outlet marketed the product by saying that 1 inch extra was being offered at the same price as of 9 inches pizza. While the friends were about to accept the offer, the doubting Toma put all his skills learnt in mathematics class to contest the claim. He accosted the manager with the calculations. Only a week back, they were taught to calculate the area of circle as pi r square. Now where pi was equal to 3.142857 and r is the radius of the circle, the pizza with the 9 inches diameter turned out to be 63.64 square inches. On the other end, the area of 5 inches diameter pizza turned out to be 19.64 square inches. The offer of 2 5 inches pizzas, where 1 inch was claimed to be free, would get us 39.28 square inches only, so said little Nathan. If the outlet gave them 3 pizzas in 5 inches size, they would still be at a loss. The outlet manager had no explanation to the mathematical logic of the doubting Toma. Venkatesh was never underestimated by his friends in USA, who fondly also called him Swami. Today they carried 5 pizzas in 5 inches size at the same price. The 5th pizza was complimentary by the scheming outlet.